Hey guys, so today I am coming to you from my in-laws kitchen. I am frying some chicken. So here is my chicken. And yes, it makes a mess. That's why it's called fried chicken. And maybe I'm just making a mess because I'm a noob, okay? So I was literally about to leave the house when it started raining. And I was like, oh heck no. So that's what my laundry detergent smells like baby laundry detergent. Oh yeah. I hope it doesn't rain. Please don't rain. Girl, you done seen a gordita run so fast back inside the house. Anyway, right now, do you see that? It's an old man and a middle-aged man riding a scooter together. I got some tomates. I got some jalapenos, another bag of jalapenos, and a bag of mixed chilies. To me, these are like chile de árbol with like a habanero, even though here these are called like Scotch bonnet, and it says level very hot. Por favor. Me hice una salsa y ni picaba. So, aquí está mi jar de salsa. This used to be it. But we all know, I mean, like, come on, you run out, right? So, aquí está para mi salsita. And I decided to keep this one because it dice fiesta or fiesta. So, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a salsa. You know what? This is called squash. Es agua that's flavored. Look. This is squash. You put like this much in that big ass glass and it gives you flavored water. And it's hella good. Anyway, let me open up all the windows and make the salsa. So we're walking back home because we went to Tesco's. I did have to buy stuff for meal preps and whatnot, so that's what I got. And it's such a nice day outside, y'all. You see? Such a nice day. And we got Mr. Nosy Rosie here.
On the news bulletin.
Yes. Okay, this here is my best friend. It's the Instant Pot. I am going to make rice. So I'm going to pressure cook. I always take off the keep warm, and we're gonna go down to 7 minutes. Todavía es bien temprano en la mañana. So, bueno, no bien temprano, son las 10:55. Un cafecito in my new mug because my other one was broken por mi suegra. But y'all, look outside. It's so pretty outside, so I'm gonna put on a jacket and go have my breakfast. And I left the back door open because last time my father-in-law locked me outside. And I don't have a key to the back, so I was just like, well, I guess I'll stay outside. So good. I was so hungry. We went grocery shopping really early because you know all the panic buying. We're not panic buying, thankfully. But I know you're gonna get at me. She with your mouth closed. You ain't my mama. Because of all the panic buying, people are panic buying like crazy. But we're not trying to do that, so we just literally went and bought what we needed. I bought stuff to make Sam's meal preps, and that's what I'm gonna do. Hoy me debía haber llegado, there we go, un paquete, pero no me llegó, y una carta de mi mom para hacer mis taxes, bro, because I can't even comment on this because I'll probably get in trouble.